Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming your device supports Face ID and is updated. Once done, unlock the phone with Face ID and open Contacts. You need the contact card visible. Tap Edit at the top right to begin changing fields. Make sure to locate the Photo or Notes section where you'll assign the Face ID marker, because you're not just adding a picture, you're attaching identity data that helps quick recognition and privacy. Next, you assign the photo that Face ID will associate. Tap Add Photo, then take Photo or choose Photo. Position the subject's face centered and at eye level, and use natural light to improve recognition. Once satisfied, crop and move the image so the face fills the frame, then tap Done to save. Make sure to also set it for messages or phone if prompted, because that ensures consistent recognition across apps and faster visual identification. Finish by testing. Open Messages or Phone and confirm the contact's image appears and Face ID unlock behavior is consistent. If recognition fails, retake the photo with clearer lighting or go to Settings to reset Face ID enrollment and re-add the image. Also make sure Contacts and Photos permissions are enabled for related apps. If problems persist, reboot the device and reattempt. This often clears permission hiccups and gives a clean start for the recognition system.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.